Do you own a spa pool? Wondering how to get sand or dirt out of it? Keep watching to find out. If you're a spa owner, you'll know how important it is to keep your spa water clean and clear. But sometimes, despite our best efforts, we can end up with dirt or sand at the bottom of our spa shell. In this video, I'll explain how to remove dirt or sand from your spa pool. Before we dive into the cleaning process, let's talk about why it's crucial to remove sand and dirt from your spa. Not only can it clog up your filtration system, but if left in the spa, it can scratch or damage the shell, affect the chemical balance of your water, make your spa look murky and the water feel gritty. So, how do you remove sand or dirt from your spa? Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Use a spa vacuum. A spa vacuum is your best mate for this job. If you don't have one, most pool and spa shops in New Zealand and Australia sell them. There are many different types of vacuums out there, and they all require the spa to be filled with water. So, before you drain the spa, it's a good idea to use a spa vacuum to see whether that does the trick first. 2. Drain the spa if necessary. If there's a significant amount of sand or dirt, you might need to drain your spa. Check your local water restrictions first. We know how precious water can be, especially during the summer months, and we always recommend using a pipe degreaser, like this one, before draining your spa. 3. Scrub stubborn areas. For those pesky spots that won't budge, use a soft brush to gently scrub the area. Be careful not to damage the spa's surface. Use a brush that's made for this type of job. 4. Wipe down the sides. Don't forget the sides of your spa. Use a damp cloth or sponge to wipe them down, removing any dirt or grime. You can use some of the pipe degreaser on a sponge for this job. 5. Replace the water filter. Your filter has likely caught some of the sand and dirt. Give it a good clean or replace it if necessary. A clean filter is the key to maintaining your spa's health. 6. Refill and balance. If you've drained your spa, it's time to refill it. Once it's full, test and balance the water chemistry. This ensures your spa is safe and ready for your next relaxing soak. See this quick start guide for step-by-step instructions. Preventing future sand and dirt issues. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, as they say. Here are some tips to keep sand and dirt out of your spa. Install a foot bath or outdoor shower near your spa. Remember, showering before use is one of the best ways to keep your water clean. Use a spa cover when the spa isn't in use. This also helps to lock in the heat and keep your power consumption down. Encourage family and guests to rinse off before entering the spa. You can even send guests a link to our user guide, particularly if you're renting out your home. Removing dirt and sand from your spa pool doesn't have to be a drainer. With the right tools and techniques, you can keep your spa water pristine, which means more time for relaxing and enjoying your private oasis. If you need professional help or are looking for a top quality spa cleaning product, visit your local Spa World. We've got everything you need to keep your spa in tip-top shape.